everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Several sources to whom we listen to have referred to humanity's soon-to-be-realized freedom lasting 1,000 years. In a webinar last month, you also made the same reference. In the book of Revelation, there's a reference to the devil being bound for 1,000 years. If you could please understand a little more on what you understand about why this 1,000-year period is, it would be very much appreciated. With love and gratitude, Stephanie. And JP adds, why only 1,000?
I agree. I would agree with that. Why only 1,000? What I think is that this is my interpretation of that. We as Terrans, our culture, our civilization, will fully evolve into something else in linear time as we would count today, within 1,000 years. It doesn't mean we get thrown back into the shit, or that, the floodgates open and here comes the swamp again. I don't interpret it that way at all. Okay, they're done here. But what I think is that we evolve so fast and so quickly that not only is Earth not here, or remnants of Earth, or any form of humanity in third density, we all evolved into fourth and then into fifth at some point in the next, as we would count rotations, 1,000 years. We've transcended and become something entirely different. Which would make sense because most of us that are here are multidimensional. We have come from other civilizations. Hence the multidimensional structures in our brain. If we were all the same, it would show all the same dimensional structures, but it doesn't. It doesn't. It covers all of the realms from fourth to 11. It covered all of them. It could very well be that this whole thing here was an experiment. Or, even more bizarre, that there was a collective of renegades, lost those who just so lost their light that there was no ability to reach them. And that this whole experiment with Earth was created in order to draw them out of the dark. I don't know. I lay awake at night trying to figure some of this shit out. I really do. If I were Source, why would I do this? Why would I set up this plan? What would be the point of this experiment? And then what I do is I take it all apart, and then I try to reverse engineer it and put it back together so that it would make sense. I mean, you either have free will or you don't. Okay? If we all have free will, then the plan would be to get them, these who were lost or perceived lost, to voluntarily will themselves out of the darkness back to the light. So what you would have to do is coax them out, knowing that those who were assisting you with this were eternal beings anyway. And this would have to be on a volunteer basis. I still haven't wrapped my head around that part yet. I know how crazy this sounds. I do. You know, which is why I really almost never talk about it. I probably shouldn't have said anything at all just now. You know, but I just don't know. I don't know. Some things just don't make sense to me. You know, and the A's don't have all the answers. The Pleiadians don't have all the answers. The Arcturians don't have all the answers. No one has all the answers except Source herself. So, and obviously those cards haven't been dealt yet because all the frequencies are seeing adjustments.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.